Hi, thank you for watching the Red 28 Entertainment channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade personal pan pepperoni pizza. And these are the ingredients you're going to need. And that's shredded mozzarella cheese, ragu pizza sauce, pepperonis, and flour tortillas. This is the one I've done for myself. I made a 3-layer personal pan pepperoni pizza. And what I've done, I put a tortilla down first, and I layered it with cheese and pepperoni. And then I put another tortilla on top and layered it with cheese and pepperoni. And then I put the last layer on top, I put the pizza sauce, cheese and pepperoni. This is how the pizza look once baked. You basically put it in there until the cheese melts and the ends of the crust get crispy. You can pick it up and eat it. It's not going to fall apart.